Qatar Airways Flight 27. The Boeing 777, the second largest aircraft we have currently operating into Manchester. If you look on top of the wings on this aircraft, you can see that the spoilers raised up there. As the name suggests, they spoil the airflow, act as air brakes, help slow the aircraft down. They'll retract back down into the wing shortly.
This aircraft isn't in the standard Qatar Airways colours. There's a reason for that. It's one of 6 aircraft that the airline has got with a second hand. All Qatar Airways aircraft are brand new apart from 6. They've had to lease in 6 aircraft in the last 9 months or so, due to an ongoing fallout that they had with Airbus. They have a shortage of aircraft at the moment. Whilst the fallout has been resolved, the dispute they've had with Airbus for about the last 2 years has seen.
So a couple of EasyJet aircraft to our left, just waiting to cross over for departure. They're holding for the next arrival, which is another EasyJet aircraft. So the inbound aircraft is EasyJet's Flight 2268. It's an Airbus A320-200 from Gibraltar.
The animal on the tail of the Qatar Airways is the oryx, O-R-Y-X, the national animal of Qatar.
So, like I say, the aircraft vacating in front of us there, that EasyJet aircraft. That aircraft is an Airbus A320 from Gibraltar. Gibraltar not the busiest.